Today I'm going to show you how to make limber de coco. What's limber de coco? Coconut ices. I'm going to show you this with my beautiful daughter. She decided to make a video with me. How are we going to make it, mama?
Pasito, pasito.
Okay. In our bowls, we're going to add 2 cans of evaporated milk. Okay, now we're going to add 2 cans of
Coconut milk.
okay, coconut milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna add half a cup of sweetened shredded coconut flakes. We're also gonna add a whole can of water and half a cup of sugar.
Go to Puerto Rican flags up for this shirt.
Guys, you know what's coming? The Puerto Rican Day Parade. Now we're gonna stir. This tastes so good. You know it's already getting hot out there, guys. Miren el presentado, este quiere icing. No, aquí no se te va a dar icing. Now we're gonna add our mixture to our cups. Now we're gonna freeze it overnight. Look at the shredded coconut over the top. Let's taste. Qué ricura.